Hello everyone, welcome to Xganit. Our question for today is, if z is a complex number, so we are taking a complex number which is z of unit modulus. So z has unit modulus and argument theta. We are given that z is a complex number with unit modulus and argument of z is theta. Okay, then we need to find the value of this whole thing. What is that? We need to find the value of argument of 1 plus z, that is this complex number which is given to us, that z, 1 plus z whole divided by 1 plus z bar. What is this equals to? Is it minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta, theta or pi minus theta? Let's find out. Now hopping on to explanation. See, what is given to us? We are given a complex number that is z, and what kind of a complex number? A complex number with unit modulus, and that complex number has an argument theta. Okay, so what is given to us is that mod z is equal to 1 and argument of z, argument in short is written as arg. So arg of z is equal to theta. Okay, now we have mod z is equal to 1, we are writing that. Now squaring both sides. So we have mod z, squaring both sides, it's this. So mod z square is equal to 1 square. 1 square is 1 into a 1. So 1 into a 1 gives us a 1. Okay. So we have mod z square is equal to 1. Now mod z square can also be written as z into z bar. Now why is this z bar coming into play? The z bar is coming into play because we have a term here as z bar. So we have to introduce z bar in some other way. Okay, so since we have the term z bar, we need to find the value of z bar in order to get the value of this whole thing here. Okay, so mod z square is equal to 1. This gives us mod z square is z into z bar. So keeping this z bar, we have z bar is equal to 1 by z. Now we know the value of z bar in terms of z. That is, we know the value of z bar in terms of what is known to us. We are known that z is the complex number that is given to us. Okay. So, z bar is equal to 1 by z. We know that. Now, we have to find the value of this whole thing. That is argument of 1 plus z by 1 plus z bar. So, argument of 1 plus z by 1 plus z bar. Now, here is this z bar. So, substituting the value of z bar as 1 by z, we have this. That is argument of 1 plus z by 1 plus 1 by z. Now, simplify this. So, this is argument of 1 plus z. Simplifying, the denominator is z into a 1, which is z. So, z plus 1. And this z in the denominator goes up. So, it is a z here and a 1 plus z here. So, 1 plus z cancels out and we are left with argument of z. Now, what was argument of z? That was theta, which was given to us. So, this is equal to theta. So, the value that was to be found out, that is argument of 1 plus z by 1 plus z bar, is equal to theta. So, what is this equal to? Theta, which is the third option. That is option C is correct. Thank you.